I will discuss the first three questions and their answers for today's Codeforces Round 9222 Division 2. So first is brick wall. If you haven't gone through the question, like the main motto is like we need to maximize possible stability. And stability is like difference between the number of horizontal bricks and the number of vertical bricks. So as for the greedy approach, we need to think how we can increase the number of horizontal bricks. Okay, so now the size of bricks is 1 into k dimension. So let's think like little bit. We will take the minimum brick size, and it will be like 1 into 2. So how many 1 into 2 size bricks we can place horizontally, and that multiply by the row. So this is the main motto. So now I will disclose the answer. So answer is like basic. So what we will do, we will in this now right now there is one like what how to explain you. So suppose if the next number like 16 into 9, the size of the columns are the odd numbers, then what we will do, we will take one brick of 1 into 3 sides, and the rest of is 1 into 2 sides. So we will count like this way. So at the end the answer will be like n into m by 2, means like if you take 3, or even if it will be even, then it will be like, if there will be 10, then we will take 5 bricks. If it will be like 11, then what we will do, we will take 5 bricks, like 4 bricks of 2 2 2 plus 3 plus 3 means like 11, so 5th brick. So at the end the answer will be like this way. If you wish, you can, I will upload, I will add the links at the end, or you can go through it once. Okay, so in this question, what is like we need to, at the end we need to swap both positions of both arrays, permutations you can call a permutation. Okay, so at the end, if there will be like if this number is smaller or greater, if you switch to another number, like it will be like, it will not change anything. If it will be like 1 5, it will be like, it will not change the pattern, because if in the one array it is giving less, and for second value it is giving more, then it will be not matter that at what position you are changing. So what we will do, we will try to, but the factor will change this permutations will be like the same numbers, like 4 4 3 3, where you will place those numbers, it's the more important part. So in this, what we are doing, so at just only we are shorting that one number. So we are considering like we will short, I have taken here vector, so pairs first, and I am shorting with respect to first. So what is happening, we are reducing the permutation of first one, whatever the permutation of second we will get, we will count. So at the end, that will be the greedy approach. You can just write down some examples, and you will get to know about this one. So if you count this one, how many numbers are there, like how many permutations are there, and after changing to this one, you will get the idea that placing these 4 equal numbers will change the main answer. Placing the equal numbers, I will add my answer link also. So this is the XOR-distance. So it's little bit like greedy approach, in which bit masking or everything is there. I will explain my code. So motto is like that, how much you can make the A and B closer to each other. So we need to take how much possible we can get the answer, we can make the answer, and that the closeness will be determine the smallest value. So I will so there will be little bit one. So now let's go through it. See, first thing, what we are calculating in this one, we are calculating that how much sum we can make from this both of two. So first in this one, what we are doing, we are calculating that if there will be one at bit mask, no sorry, not bit mask, at bit at that position, then we will take sum of that thing. If in both the numbers the bit is present, then we will take double of that one. If any of one present, then we will take 1. Now in second, what we are doing, Now v is like whatever the r value is there, na, we log 2 of r is v. If r is greater than 0, if equals to 0, we will go up to 0 only. So now what we are doing now, here we are considering up to v, from v to v, because we are, and then we need to consider there that we can't change over there the answer. Like v is up to this much, we can't change the next numbers. So what we are doing, up to this one we can change, v minus 1 up to I equals to 0, because we have that much limit. So what we are doing, we are checking if it will be equal, like it will be 1 or equals to 0, we will add 2. If it will be like same, just only this case you need to understand why we have mentioned this thing and why not here, because at the end we can take 1 as in x as a bit up to that position, and we will make both of numbers are equal. So for closeness, what we are doing, we are taking the half of some for closeness half, and I am just making one another number an equals to bn. Why I am making, I will tell later. So in this number, what I am doing, so what I am trying to make a and b close to value. The value should be close to this one, half of this sum. So what will happen if the value is 20, so sorry, sum is 20, then we will try to make both the numbers up to 10 10. So it will be like the smallest number we will get it 0. So similarly we are doing this thing, we are making it to closer, but in this we are checking the value of numbers will be up to 2 raised to v minus 1. Means like the numbers will be like divided by 2 little bit. It's like we are log 2 r equals to v. We are doing that one because summation of these numbers like I to I will not exceed v. So we are doing this way. We are trying to make the numbers equal to this one. But now in this is done case when there is r in limit that we can take every bit. So we are doing this one. We are checking a and b. So I have changed the a b according to the value. Okay, we check. Now the second test case is like we need to check if we have taken that highest bit of r, then what there is possible answer or not. We need to check that one also. In this one, what we are doing, we are checking this one, because if we are able to remove that bit from the highest number and update that number into lower numbers, then it will come into closer. So right now I have taken here v, considered v. So I have checking that whether L is greater than R or not. It's like the value. If it will be greater, we will not consider. And now we will check the updated x, whether it is greater than equals to R. If it will be greater than equals to R, then we will not consider. We will continue. And we will check if both the values are 1 1. It's like the both beta are set, then we don't need to add that. We don't need to make that bit of x in as 1. So we will skip that part, because at the end that value like 100 and 100, 2 and 2 will get subtracted from both of them. So we will check if an is greater than bn, then we will try to reduce an and update the bn, and we will make x, means like this bit is taken, and second one we will do same to this one. Okay, and then what we will do, we will check from both the conditions, like this both conditions, what will the minimum value, and we will get the answer. So I guess this much. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will share the code links, and please subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. If you have any suggestions, you can comment below. Thank you.